So hello everyone, this is Jobair Mahmud, a data-driven digital marketing expert. In this video, I will set up Reddit pixel and conversion tracking with GTM. So without any further delay, let's get started. So Reddit basically a American social news aggregation and content rating and discussion website. It is very popular in US and other country like this. So lots of client has the query about how to set up Reddit conversion tracking. So if you know this technique, so you can set up it for your client. You can earn money from this service, and basically it has a ad platform. We can show the ad to Reddit user, so it is very important to set up the remarketing of pixel and conversion tracking. So that's why this video will be very informative for you. Let's get started. For creating Reddit ad manager, you have to visit Reddit for business, this keyword, and here you see the first URL is, you have to go into there, the first URL, and click it here, and here you can build a ad manager and test how to set up Reddit conversion tracking. So if you see a dashboard like this, then you have to come into the dashboard. Here you click this option, and here you find lots of options: the campaign, the dashboard, import, audience, post, conversion. Yeah, here you can see the you can get access from any ad manager. We are going, this option is conversion. Click here, we go into the conversion. Let's wait for the loading, and then here you see this conversion. Here you find the option like this: your Reddit pixel is not active, because this is a brand new account. So after that, we are set up for this website. This is my tag manager, dummy tag manager. So we click the setup Reddit pixel. Here you find the three options: install your website, setup tag manager, send to your developer. So this is the manual coding. Next, this is the manual coding. You just copy it and paste it your website backend theme file editor in WordPress. We are not set up this way. We'll set up with Google Tag Manager. Set up with Google Tag Manager, this option, second option. Click here, and this is your advertiser ID. Okay, and we will go our tag manager and select the new tag here and tag configuration. Okay, then we will search here the community template. Discover the tag type is community template gallery. Okay, we'll go into here and search Reddit pixel. This is the verified icon officially by Reddit. We just copy it here and add to workspace. We just add it our workspace. Okay, the tag has already added our tag manager. So we just go into our Reddit ad manager, and here you see the advertiser ID. We just copy it and paste it over there. Okay, and this is also the base pixel and page view, so that's why we just click it here, the page visit, and enable the first party cookie. So if you need any advanced matching, you can add it here. Just you can add the email, all the thing. This is the advanced topic, so I will just enable the first party cookies and trigger it all the page, and change the tag name Reddit page view tag for all the page. Okay, we just click the save our. Then we came into our conversion and click the done. Okay, submit, publish. Let's done a preview and see what happened. Preview it. Here we see the Reddit page view event was fired, tag was fired successfully. We can have a basic idea our Reddit pixel tracking is fired. You need to add a Chrome extension, Reddit pixel helper. So we'll reload our website. Let's see our Reddit pixel has fired or not. The Reddit pixel helper showing there are one pixel event was fired active. This one, the timestamp also they are fired, latency 2 ms. Okay, now our page visit event is fired. So if we load our conversion page and see our page view event was fired, page view event was active, other was not active, we can set up other event based tracking. So for this we need to set up our Reddit pixel. We just paste it here, and I set up for purchase currency transaction value. So we just trigger it into purchase. We just build a data layer variable. This is my currency code, DLV currency. Item count, we can do that. You just for this item count we have to build a data layer variable, how many item was purchased through this event. So we have to build a data layer variable and paste it here as the GA4 schema. Just paste it, quantity DLV quantity. So let me recap this for Reddit purchase event. So you have to at first select the tag template and paste your add account ID, and then this is a purchase event. So select the purchase, then we select the currency, build a data layer variable accordingly our data layer variable, and this is the transaction value. We have selected the value, how many values total product was purchased, and this is the quantity, item count, and this is the transaction ID. This one is also important. So we select the enable first party cookie tracking, and then we just trigger it with the purchase trigger. And let me save this, and let's save this event and submit it. Do a submit. Okay, and let me preview the website again. Our tag was fired or not, and connected website. So select a product, let me select this and add to cart. We just add to cart it and go to the checkout, paste some dummy content, Chrome extension store, where you can you can search this query in the Reddit pixel helper, and you will add this extension with your Chrome. This is the way you can add this Chrome extension to your Chrome, and you can see your pixel is wellly tracked or not, and place an order. Page view event was fired. See, here are two event was fired. There is purchase is active, and here you see the latency 1 ms, item count 1, product value was 150, and currency BDT, transaction ID is 3035. So now it's showing that our pixel purchase tracking is successfully working. So there are two events happened, so we have ensured that our pixel is successfully tracking. And here we see, if we load our event manager, we can see our purchase is active. Here you see our purchase is active, and time, which time was the purchase is happened. So this is how you can set up all the event. Like, so this easy way you can set up Reddit conversion tracking with GTM. So hope this video will be very informative for you. If you like my video, make sure you subscribe our channel. And also if you are a business owner, you need to set up a pixel, any conversion API, any data driven digital marketing service, you can reach out to me. There are my website link, you can just visit it here and book a 30-minute meeting. So that's all for today. I will be coming up with another brand new video and very informative video. Till then, take care, goodbye and tata. Thank you.